Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, this is Betty, owner and creator of Betty's Custom Design here on YouTube, Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram. So I'm working on another like pre-made digital kit for my Etsy store. This is not the finished product, but I realized I had not done a video for you guys today, and so I figured I would bring you guys along to show you part of my process of how I make like the little mini file folder book. It takes quite a bit because you have to make sure you get all of your sizes correct, and so this will be the next thing going in my Etsy store will be this one. And I know that I will have some like cards to go in it, some different ephemera pieces. It's still a work in progress because I need to trim the size down a little bit. There's just a couple things I need to do, but we're going to, I've already got one cut out and we're going to put it together on camera. This probably will not be a long video at all because I'm not going to decorate it because it's not the finished product, but I mean it'll be cute either way. So again, this is going to be the ledger and lace kit that I'm using. I've used a lot of the elements from it. As you can see, this will have the lace at the top of this folder, lace on the tabs, the roses on the folder things. And then the other thing I'm working on, and this one is a little bit harder, but I love it. It is a self-closing, or it's got a stay put tab on it. And this is where I'm getting a little bit of trouble just right here. So, but we're going to go ahead and put it together so that you'll see how it's done. And I'm hoping to get the finished product done tonight, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. It just all depends on how many more times I have to print this crazy thing. So I have already cut out my, this is the, like the little file folder, one that's going to come with the ephemera. I've already cut it out, so I just cut along those lines. Now, the one thing I do want to do, even though this is not a finished product, I do want to round my corners, I believe. Okay, so when you have the kit and you cut it out, it's going to be just like this right here. So this is how you'll cut it out. So what I've done, and it's right there on that fold line, I just matched everything up and then I folded. And let me find a bone folder. And if I wanted to ink it up, now would be the time for me to do that, but I'm not going to worry about doing that right now. So then it's going to look like this. So all we're going to do, and I will include a backing sheet in the kit so that you can print double-sided. I'm just going to bring this one side up on that fold line there. And I'm going to score that across or burnish it. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. I want to make sure I got them even. Okay, and so then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue down this one side right here because I want it to be open. I want to be able to stick something down in it. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And these would be very cute to stick in your journals because they're not going to take up a lot of room. But they would make a very cute addition to your journals. And so this one, this is pretty much done. And as you can see, it's absolutely adorable. And especially if I had printed it double-sided, which I didn't. These are the cards that will come with it. There will probably be more ephemera than what I'm showing right here. I just haven't finished creating all of it yet. And I'm not sure about this one because I wanted to have it to where they were like journal type cards. So I'm thinking that I may need to tone the color down on both of them, because both of them did use a vintage paper, an actual vintage paper that I layered this on, but I think I've got the image too dark. So again, like I said, today this video is just mainly you guys getting to see how I go about creating this kind of stuff and what my process is. And so I think what I would probably do, I'm going to decrease the size of these journal cards. I mean, I did get a little too much glue, but I want there to be a little bit more wiggle room, I believe. And then, you know, if this was something I was going to be worrying about, I could decorate it up. It's got some of the little fussy cut roses that come in it, some labels there. So this is really, really cute. You could put this stuff on the front of the little journal cover there. You can do whatever you want to do to it and make just, you know, really decorate it up. It would make a very nice card, anything like that. So this will be in there pretty quickly because this is pretty much done. I don't have a lot more to do on this. And then I will add more kits, you know, more designs in there. But this will be the first one that goes in. So that is really cute. I do like that. Okay. So I'm going to set this one to the side. And I told you guys that this was going to be a super quick video. So this one here, when you cut it out, and you'll notice on this, I had this right here, and I think I was planning on putting this maybe in a journal to kind of flip around. So I've still got, that's one of the things I still have to play with, is that right there, because I believe that was my thought process when I was creating it, was it flipping around. Now what you'll do, it'll look like this once it's cut out. So you need to cut, I took my little craft knife wherever it is. I don't even know what I've done with it now. I took my little craft knife, which I do have these available in my Etsy store. And I just cut right along that black line there. So when I was testing it for the video, the one thing I found is I did not fold it over this way far enough. So I don't know if that's my issue. Okay, so let's see how this does. And then this will need to come just shy of that. Okay, let's see how that works. We're going to try it. You'll get the idea at least. So again, there will be the backing paper. When this is complete, it will have backing paper. So the one that does not have any design on it, that's the side. You're going to put some glue right along there. And then all you're going to do is fold that up and over, because we're going to keep it open. And I got this idea from, you know, the little things that you can buy to put your gift cards in when you're giving it to somebody. That's very similar to what this is. That's where I got the idea from. So, okay. And then the same thing here. So again, and I will probably have some ephemera type stuff in this one as well. But like I said, this one is in the very early stages right now. I will round this corner. Okay. Now, we have it like this, so I don't really think I have anything small enough to show you what it would look like with something in there. Maybe this. That's too big. Okay, I think I have something Christmassy. Yeah. So you could put little stuff down in there, which would be really cute. And I put the vintage paper on this side so you can write something. So you really could use this as a gift, as a card to somebody. And then what you would do is, and see, this is where I've got to finish my measurements to make sure I get it correct, because it's not lining up properly for me. But then you would just fold it in, and I probably did not cut that big enough. And then you just tuck the flap down into that little slit that we've created. And there you go. And see, you have this little cute little package or envelope that is, it's all, you know, you don't have to worry about sealing it. It is very flat. You would be able to decorate it. You can put some stuff on the inside there. I might need to see if there's some way that I can secure that side down, because I don't like it lifted up. But, you know, again, like I said, this is my design process. This is how I get the digital kits that are actually ready-made for you to cut out and put together. So what I do is I put them together. I'll print, and this one is, I'll probably print this one another 6 or 7 times before I end up with the final product, because I'm looking here and I see that, you know, that might be where my issue is. I'm not sure why I left such, because it didn't need a spine, so I don't know what I was thinking with that. But, you know, this is how it happens, guys. Y'all got to see the creation part of those digital type kits. So yeah, but I really do, and I love this one. You know what? If I left those folds there, it could act as a bottom when it was folded up, and you could stick a tag down in it. I don't know. I might cut that one out again and see how it does leaving that. I'm not sure. Like I said, it's just I don't know. This is how I do. I'll think about it several times, and, you know, look through it and try my hardest to figure out what to be, you know, what I need to do differently. So yeah, I'm thinking, okay, yeah, it's going back to the iPad with this one, but I do enjoy the design of it. So let me know what you guys think. If you think that you would be interested in these when they're loaded on my Etsy store, please let me know. I would love to hear your feedback. This one here, like I said, this one's probably going to be listed pretty soon, because it's very close to being done, except for the fact that I glued my tag down. Yeah, see, that's why you never stick it in there when you've just glued it. But yeah, I do like that. So, and man, oh, I'm just thinking what all the things you could do on this. You have your thing here. You could put a pocket on the front. You could put a pocket on the back. Oh yeah, there's so much you could do. You could even put this in, sew this in the signature of one of your journals. So it would have your pockets, and it would be in different parts of the journal, and then you'd have your tabs. Okay guys, I'm sorry about that. Just jumping back on, basically to tell you all goodbye. My aunt called in the middle of that, and I have to jump off of here and find a song to look up to try and learn before church in the morning. So yeah, this video is even shorter than it was originally going to be, because I've got a lot to practice. So anyway, thanks guys for watching. Please make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this, if you think this is something that you would enjoy. Yeah, and if you have any suggestions on what I need to do for this, but this may have to wait until tomorrow, because my night tonight is going to be spent practicing a song that I don't even know that I've ever even heard before. So there we go. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.